Okay. Now continuation of fourth question. Now we are switch on to that fifth one. The fifth one is what is the fifth one here? They mentioned PQ donates two complex numbers in the Z1 or Z2 organ plane. Then Y is an origin. They mention one Z is, let us take X plus IY1. Z2 is X2 plus IY2. That's Y is the organ plane is 0, comma 0. That you remember. If is a P, this is a Q. Let us I am taking it is. What they mention it is they mention condition if what they mention Z1 Z2 bar plus Z2 Z1 bar is 0. If this is a condition is satisfies, if the condition is satisfied, what they mention, angle POQ is 90 degrees. Angle POQ is 90 degrees. Am I clear? It's nothing but we have a P, we have a Q, we have a O. Angle POQ. Angle POQ is 90 degrees. Okay, clear, right? Angle POQ is 90
Yes, sir.
degrees. Clear? Right. So what you have to do, this is what you need to prove that. So how can you, we should take a condition? First of all, we has to know Z1 is equal to X plus IY. What's the Z1 bar? X minus IY1.
Yes, sir.
Z2 is equal to X plus IY2. X2, what's a Z2 bar?
X2 minus
Minus,
Y.
please substitute those are in this equation. What the equation here? Z1 and Z2 bar plus Z2 into Z1 bar is equal to 0, nana. Okay, just you substitute the value of Z1 and Z2 bar, then you start multiplying over here, then you get an answer here. What you can say, X plus IY1, Z2 bar means X2 minus IY2 plus Z2 means X2 plus IY2, Z1 bar means X1 plus X1 minus IY1 here is equal to 0. Okay, I think your toppers please multiply all these things. This is X1, right? X1, X2 plus Y1, Y2 minus I X1, Y2 plus I X2, Y1. Next X1, X2 plus Y1, Y2 minus I X2, Y1 plus I X1, Y2 is equal to 0. Is there any cancellation, Anna? Is there any possibility of cancellation? Please look into that. Everything it's possible. I think the X1, Y1, these are possible. These are all, everything is negative values. IX2
Yes.
minus, IX2 minus. This is a thing. IX2, X1, Y2, X1, Y2 cancel. Plus and minus. This is cancel. Here it is cancel. So the left out thing is 2x1, x2 plus y1, y2 is equal to 0. 0 by something is 0. So x1, x2 is equal to minus y1, y2. From this, what can I write? Minus x1 by y1 minus x2 by y2 is equal to minus 1. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Am I clear? Right?
Yes, sir. Sure.
So this is a equation of P. This is the equation of Q anukunam. So let us take, I'll take 0, comma 0, O. P is x1, comma y1. Can you tell me the slope formula? What is the
Y2
slope of,
minus Y1 by X2 minus X1.
what is the answer you're going to get? Minus y1 by minus x1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us 0, comma 0. This is x2, comma y2. Q is there. What is the of OQ? Minus y2 by minus y1. Am I clear, right?
Yes.
Are you clear or not? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
what you have to write a minus I stepped out. This is clear. Okay. Now x1 by minus x1 by minus y1 or right ulta also minus y1 by minus x1. Both are same. This is slope of OQ, OP. This is slope of OQ. Okay. Are you following me or not?
Yes, sir.
This is OP slope into OQ slope. The product of two slopes are minus 1. How these two lines are? If product of two slopes are minus 1, how these two lines are? How both lines?
Sir, M1 into M2.
m1 into m2 is -1. How both two lines are? This is m1 and this is m2 is equal to -1. How those two lines are? If
Parallel.
two slopes are same, it is a parallel. Body present, mind absent. If two slopes are perpendicular, the lines are perpendicular. Am I clear? It's nothing but
Yes.
m1 into m2 is equal to -1. Two slopes product is -1. It is a perpendicular. Two slopes are equal, both are parallel. I was already mentioned in the starting stage. Am I clear? Right?
Yes, sir.
So it means here the condition is two slopes are product is -1. How these two lines are? How these two
Perpendicular.
lines are? Two lines are perpendicular. So now OP and OQ are perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
If two lines are perpendicular, what is the angle?
90 degrees.
Angle POQ is called 90 degrees. That is what your requirement of proof. Please check the question now. What the question they mentioned? Angle of both lines are 90 because I told you this is O, this is P, this is Q. OP and PQ both are perpendicular because angle POQ is 90 degrees. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Enough. Now go to next question, last question. What is the sixth one here?
The complex number Z has argument theta 0 is greater than theta is greater than pi by 2 and satisfy the equation mod Z minus 3i is equals to 3. Then prove that cot theta minus 6 by Z is equals to I.
They mention one condition. This is a condition they mention. You are going to prove this one. Cot theta minus 6 by Z is equal to I. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is a very interesting question now. Look into the question very clearly. Okay. Now let us, I am taking a question how I should approach. First of all, I will take a one condition here. This is a condition I mentioned, right? Okay. So let us, Z is equal to what? X minus Iy minus 3i is equal to 3. Next, what can I write? X plus I should take a common y minus 3 is equal to 3. They should take here what they mention here, the argument is theta. Sorry to say, here argument is theta. So I could not take Z is equal to X plus Iy. Argument is X comma Y. You can take Z is equal to X comma Y. Argument is theta. We can take the Z is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Please remember. The complex number in terms of X comma Y, you can take X plus Iy. The complement, complex number in terms of argument of theta, you can take Z is equal to like this. Okay. So remember, cos theta plus I sin theta minus 3i is equal to 3. Next case, what can I say? Cos theta I times of sin theta minus 3 is equal to 3. Still this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we can take squaring and open the modulus. What modulus means? What can I say? Cos square theta sin theta minus here it is whole square is equal to modulus of the 3 only. Next, now we take squaring on both sides now. This is cancelled. This you can open. I'll write on the next page. What is the next page? You can write cos theta square plus sin theta minus 3 whole square is equal to 3 square, and please open a minus b whole square. Cos square theta is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? 6 sin theta minus 6 sin theta. This is 9. So sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus 3 square is 9 minus 6 sin theta is equal to 9. This is cancel. 9. What you can write here? What you're going to get? Sin theta is equal to 1 by 6. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So let us, you people has know how to do it. Sin theta. Sin theta means opposite, right? This is opposite by hypotenuse. What you're going to get? Adjacent. Expect the answer. Pythagoras theorem. 36 minus 1
Yes, sir.
root 35. Clear, right? Opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Sin theta means, you know, from this everything you can find out, right? From this. So what about cos theta? From this, tell me value. What is the cos theta, Nana? What is the cos theta for a given triangle?
Adjacent by
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
hypotenuse.
Next cot theta ante adjacent by opposite.
Opposite. Yes, sir.
Root 35
Tan
by
opposite by adjacent.
yes. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sin theta, cos theta, everything you know. Now we got all answers. Now let us. They are telling show that one. What is the show? Cot theta minus 6 by z. This is equal to I, right?
Yes, sir.
So now let us. I'll try to do cot theta minus 6 by z. Z means what? Sin theta plus I cos theta. This I rationalize. Sin theta minus I cos theta by sin theta minus I cos theta is equal to I. We need to prove. This is a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Then after that I square becomes plus 1. Sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Are you follow me?
Yes, sir.
So numerator I'm writing sin theta minus I cos theta. This is sin square plus cos square theta. Sin square plus minus I cos theta whole square. I square will come. I square is minus 1. So
Yes, sir.
sin square plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then after numerator is leaving. I was removed.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Next, what can I take? Now I'm trying to substitute all values. What's the value of cot theta? Root 35. Sin theta means root 35 by 6. Cos theta means I into 1 by 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here, 6 cancel. So root 35 minus root 35 plus I is equal to I. 35 cancel. Have we got I value? I is equal to I.
Yes, sir.
So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proof is done.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So that is what we are taking LHS. We got a proof for RHS. Okay. So this is a case we are trying to do.